Anyway, Mutapoti, the Chief Director of Strategic Communications in the Office of the President and the Cabinet, has stirred debate by suggesting that the use of force on society is sometimes necessary to achieve strategic goals. Sadabida mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa munhu angawasi top aid obuda achitaura mashoko achiti aiwa sometimes we use force to shape my societies. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina mzimba mubuda nyika muchinzi. Speaking from Moscow, Russia, we accompanied President Emerson Mnangagwa for the 80th anniversary commemorations of Nazi Germany's defeat. Mutambodzi drew parallels between World War II and modern governance, using the conflict as a case study to justify the strategic application of force. Mutambodzi stated, the use of force as seen in the war shows how determined objectives can be achieved when societal resistance is overcome through organized military and strategic pressure. The comments delivered against the backdrop of the Kremlin's annual Victory Day parade come at a time when Zimbabwe is grappling with growing civic discontent and increasing state surveillance. Critics may interpret Mutabodzi's remarks as signaling a hardened stance from the highest levels of government. Reflecting on his experience at the event, Mutambodzi noted, I gained a lot of insights and filled gaps in my knowledge of what transpired during those difficult times, referring to the Russian resistance against the German invasion and the eventual advance to Berlin that marked the collapse of Nazi Germany. His remarks sparked discussion online, with many questioning whether this endorsement of historical military force could foreshadow more aggressive domestic policies at home. Ndomashikwana muda panapa vanhu vachikundema aiwa this application yeforce vachiti zvaitika muhondo kare zvinga-applyiwa here right now mumasocieties. Vari kuonekwa kunzi these guys they are saying they are shaping masocieties tiri kushandisa maforces. Zviri kuonekwa munyika yezimbabwe kuti ndomunyanya kuapplyiwa this law netheory yavari kutaura yokuapplya force, ingava intimidation, vangava through mapolice forces kana kuti masoldiers. Pina comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu motodi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.